Hi, my name is Carlene Smith. I'm the broker-owner of Real Living Real Estate Experts here in Warren, Pennsylvania. And I have some breaking news for you. We're doing 5 open houses. That's right, 5 open houses this Sunday, November 4th from noon to 2. The first one will be 307 Poplar Street, listed at $179,900. If you've dreamed of living in a Victorian house, then you need to take a look at this one. It's been renovated and has new electric wiring, furnace, AC unit, the new roof, new hot water tank, new paint and carpets, and gorgeous hardwood floors have been redone. There is some new carpeting throughout the house. There's also many architectural features such as leaded glass, crown molding, built-ins, 2 staircases, just to name a few. They have big, beautiful windows that provides an abundance of natural light throughout the house. It's located on a charming street full of historical houses, a must-see. We are also doing an open house at 54 Highland Drive. It's listed at $179,000. It's move-in ready. This immaculately maintained house is in the desirable area of Pleasant Township. Outside, you'll enjoy private tree-lined backyard, large deck, fire pit, and ample garage space with a detached 2-stall garage and an integrated 1-stall garage. Inside, you'll find newer carpeting, a large family room, gleaming hardwood floors, large kitchen, and spacious dining area that walks right out onto the deck. This is a very nice home. And in Youngsville, we will be doing an open house at 517 High Street. It's listed at $137,749. It is a 1-story brick ranch. Everything you're looking for. It has been immaculately maintained and continuously updated. It has 3 bedrooms and a bath and a half. There's oak hardwood floors under the carpet in the living room, foyer, hallway, and in the bedrooms. There's also 2 fireplaces and a finished basement. The roof, electric, AC, exterior doors, and windows have all been updated. There's also an attached garage and a nice level yard. The next one is 11 Timothy Avenue in North Warren. It is listed at $109,732. This charming house has been freshly remodeled from top to bottom. The kitchen has plenty of counter space, recessed lighting, and a pass-through window to the dining room, along with a nice coffee bar. This makes entertaining a breeze. The living room has tons of natural light, gorgeous hardwood floors, and new carpeting in the living room and the 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms also have large closets. Outside, you'll find a large level yard and a detached garage with a carport that's attached. You can use it as a covered patio in the summer, or you can enjoy the indoors with your central air conditioning. The next is 19 Glenwood Street. It's listed at $54,500. This home is located on a quiet street within walking distance to schools, parks, and shopping. All appliances are included. There's a gas fireplace to keep you warm in the winter. There's a half bath off the living room and laundry room off the kitchen for your added convenience. The second floor has 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a walk-up attic. Outside, you'll find a single-stall garage and a blacktop driveway for off-street parking. There is a nice yard that's big enough for kids, pets, and a garden. Plus, the electric has been updated. We hope to see you at one or all of the open houses this Sunday, November 4th, from noon to 2.